Hear my Lord. 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 Take all of me. What shall I give to the Lord for all his benefits to me? I'll take the cup of salvation and I'll call on his name and he'll set me free. Come on, come on. That's really what he wants. He wants everything. Where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is liberty. Where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom, you see. Let him be Lord of your life. He'll break every chain tonight. Holy Ghost, take it on. Holy Ghost, take it on. Holy Ghost, come on, somebody shout, Lord, hear him out. Take it on. Take it all, Lord. Take it all. Take it all. Lord, take it all. Ooh, yeah. You're good on the both sides. Holy, Holy God. I'm no longer mine. I'm no longer mine. I am his and he is mine. Song of Solomon 2:16. I am his and he is mine. I'm a joint heir in Christ. Romans 8:17. That means everything that's his is mine, and everything that's mine is his. Ooh, yes. So when Solomon goes on to say in chapter 2:15, he said, take us the little foxes that spoil our vines. Catch those foxes. Catch those sins. Arrest them. Bind them. Surrender them to him. Become his. Hear the sounds of freedom tonight.
Empty me.
Yes, Jesus.
The selfishness inside, every vain ambition, and the poison of my pride. Any foolish thing my heart holds to, Lord, empty me of me so I can be filled with you. Hallelujah! Empty me of the selfishness inside, every vain ambition, and the poison of my pride. Any foolish thing my heart holds to, Lord, empty me of me so I can be. Empty me of me so I can be filled with you. I've had just enough of the spotlight when it burns bright to see how it gets in the blood. Like Marvin was talking about, I've tasted my share of the sweet life and the wild ride. I found a little is not quite enough. I know how I can stray, how fast my heart could change. Empty me of the selfishness inside, every vain ambition and the poison of my pride. Any foolish thing my heart holds to, Lord, empty me of me so I can be filled with you. I've seen enough of the quick buys and the best lies to know how prodigals can be drawn away, know how I can stray, how fast my heart could change. Empty me of the selfishness inside, every vain ambition and the poison of my pride. Any foolish thing my heart holds to, Lord, empty me of me so I can be filled with you. Oh, here's the best part. 'Cause everything is a lesser thing compared to you, and everything is a lesser thing compared to you. 'Cause everything is a lesser thing compared to you, and everything is a lesser thing compared to you. So I surrender all. I surrender all. Lord, empty me of me so I can be. Empty me of me so I can be. Empty me of me so I can be filled with you.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Mary said in Luke 1:63, the rich he sends empty away. Rich would mean full. That's not talking about those with a lot of money. Those that are full, that have no need for him, that are unwilling to surrender. He said they'll leave his presence empty. But to the hungry, those that desire him, that want to surrender to him, he says they'll leave filled. If you leave empty of him tonight, the enemy knows at that moment you're so vulnerable. Somebody say clean ain't good enough. Garnished ain't good enough. According to Matthew 12:43-45, demons cast out, they leave, they walk through dry places seeking rest, so they say, I'll return to my house, and they bring 7 worse with them. And when they come, they find that vessel, that house, that man. They find him swept and garnished. They find him clean and polished. But the issue is they find him empty. In him being empty, they re-enter in his worst state. Now is not even compared to his first state. He's worse. Jesus not only wants to clean you, he not only wants to polish you, he must fill you with himself. And the only way he can fill you is if you surrender. That's what it means, empty me. Empty means, God, I give up. As Isaiah said in Isaiah 38:13, make an end of me. Job 19:10, Job said, I am gone. That's why he said in verse 25, I know my Redeemer liveth. Job could never say, I know he lives, until Job said, I know I'm gone. You'll know he lives when you're willing to surrender and say, I'm gone. I'll give me up. Empty me. Then he'll fill you with himself, and the devil can't enter a vessel where Jesus fills the house. Somebody shout, it's imperative we must stay full of Jesus in these end times. Full of him, full of him, full of him, full of him.